Hello everyone! Welcome to another Adobo Tech Gadget Review. Itong hawak ko ngayon ay ang pinakabagong Realme 7. Ito ang pinaka-latest na mid-range smartphone ng Realme. And sa video na to, we'll do the gaming performance of this new smartphone. Before I start, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Just click on the subscribe button down below of this video, and you can also visit my website at www.adobotech.net. Okay, first pag-usapan muna natin itong Realme 7. So up front, meron siyang 6.5-inch Full HD display with 90 Hz refresh rate. Let's see. Let's check. So display and brightness, and that's it. So, andun yung 90 Hz refresh rate. Siyempre, meron din siyang selfie camera. It's a 16 megapixel camera sensor. And dun sa likod, meron siyang 64 megapixel quad camera with Sony IMX682 camera sensor. In terms of fingerprint sensor naman, embedded na siya dun sa power button, which is nasa right side. Okay. Siyempre at the bottom, so you have yung the usual, you have yung Type-C connection, the 3.5 audio jack, the microphone, and the speaker. On the left side naman, you have yung volume control at yung SIM slot. Okay, under the hood, itong Realme 7, it's powered by the Helio G95 gaming octa-core processor. It's the first device to be equipped with this mobile gaming processor. Siyempre, meron din siyang 8GB of RAM at 128 internal storage. In terms of battery naman, itong Realme 7, meron siyang 5,000 mAh battery with 30-watt super dart charge feature. So, ibig sabihin, it supports fast charging ng battery. Out of the box, itong Realme 7, it runs on Android 10 with Realme UI version 1.0. Okay, so before we do the game test, let's check yung temperature ng Realme 7. So currently, it's on 34.8 degrees Celsius. Okay, so nag-install na ako ng mga ilang games dito. Siyempre, you have yung Call of Duty Mobile and Real Racing.
Objectives. Enemy taking A. Capturing Bravo. Enemy has Alpha. Lost their lead. We're capturing C. Captured Charlie. Capture Bravo. Gen and UAV. We tied the ball. Lost the lead. Still close fire. Airstrike is ready. We've taken the lead. Friendly airstrike incoming. Losing the ball. Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
All right.
Keep up. Capture the objectives.
Next round.
Capture Alpha. Enemy taking Bravo. Enemy taking C. Capture A. We've taken the lead. Friendly Predator missile inbound. Enemy has B.
So I do feel some warm feeling at the back, but I guess that's normal. So let's check yung temperature niya. Okay, so from 34, it's now 41.2 degrees. Okay, so next we'll check yung battery. Okay, so currently it's 88% with medium brightness with Wi-Fi on. Let's check for the Bluetooth and let's try to play again. So currently temperature is 40.6 and 88% battery.
Hardcore kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Friendly predator missile inbound. UAV online. Kill confirmed. Hunter killer drone deployed. Kill confirmed. Made a jam at UAV. Keep on them. We're winning straight. Target UAV up. Blind. Kill confirmed. Airstrike is ready.
Okay, so now let's check. Let me check the temperature again. Okay, so not bad. It's 42.1. Okay, so not bad at all. So let's check the battery. Okay, so 1% for one game of Call of Duty. Let's check the gallery. Okay, so what else? Okay, so multitasking, so it's still responsive. So let's check. As you can see, very quickly you can switch between apps very easily. Now that's impressive. Nice. Okay, so let's check. Wow, that's really quick. So let me open another game. This one's a simple game.
I left myself in. Wish I had a choice, gotta save my own skin. Forced into crime, but I'll turn it around. It's a loop for me, I guess it's win-win. Just happen to be the best at what I do. Grab the controls and see if you can sing too.
Let's go back to the racing game. Oh, that's impressive. See? That's really fast. It's nice. So let me check yung battery. Okay, so that's 2% down. It's now 85%. Let's check naman yung temperature. It's 42.3 Celsius. Still not bad. So the battery, galing, to almost 3% lang yung nabawas doon sa games na ginawa natin. So overall, itong Realme 7 is really a gaming device. The games run smoothly, like yung Call of Duty. Switching between apps is also instant. Siyempre may konting lag yan kung connected ka or online yung nilalaro mong games. Overall, itong Realme 7, it's really a nice mid-range device with a really nice design. 64 megapixel quad camera, you have a 90 Hz display, you have a gaming processor. So, what else pahanapin mo? And syempre, it comes with a reasonable price naman. Okay, so kung naghahanap ka ng bagong mid-range phone with gaming capability, maganda yung camera, meron siyang 90 Hz display, syempre, long battery life with liquid cooling, syempre, you might want to check out the new Realme 7. Okay, so that's it. Again, this is Bam of Adobo Tech, and thank you for watching. Now back to work.